Hi everyone, today I'm going to present my final project proposal with title Design Manufacture of Jig and Fixture Body Valve 250 for milling process on horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine. With my prospective supervisors are Mr. Bayu Wiro Karuniawan, STMT, and also Mr. Dika Aditya Purnomo, SSTMT. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Andaria with my NRP 0619040033 and I live in Sidoarjo. I was born in Sidoarjo, March 28, 2001. And my current major is Design and Manufacture Engineering, and I live in Tenggulunan Village, Candi Sidoarjo, and my email address is andaria28@student.ppns.ac.id. Next, there are some contents in the chapter 1 or in preliminary, such as research background, research problem, research objective, research significance, and also research delimitation. We go to research background. Manufacturing companies are companies that process raw goods into semi-finished goods and finished goods that have a high selling value. Processing of raw material or semi-finished goods is carried out by several processing processes with special techniques to produce an item that can have a high selling value. Because it is carried out by a large scale of production, manufacturing companies certainly have a large number of workers and machines to help their mass production. One of the companies engaged in manufacturing in Indonesia is PT Zenith Almat Presisindo, which is manufacturing company engaged in industry in foundry investment casting and also machining. Example of products that produce include body valve, pipes, and several other casting products. One of the products that is continuously produced is the body valve 250 with a demand of approximately 200 pieces per month. The body valve 250 is one of the main components of the butterfly valve. The butterfly valve parts that are produced at PT Zenith Almat Presisindo is body and the stem. The process of making a body valve 250 has several manufacturing stages, starting from making the mold, then injection of the mold with the wax, then coating with molded sands, then melting the wax in a furnace, and then pouring the material into the mold, and also inseparable from the machining process as a finishing for this valve body product. There are 5 machining processes in manufacture of the body valve 250, and each operation is carried out on a different machine. For the first machining process, using a manual milling machine, the second process using a CNC wire cut machine, and the third process using a CNC turning machine. Then the last one is the fourth and fifth process using different CNC milling machine that available at PT Zenith Almat Presisindo. The machining process is the process of forming a product by cutting or reducing some of the material to produce the desired product. Machining processes that will be studied further are the first, fourth, and fifth machining process, which consists of phasing, pocket, chamfer, and drilling. Reduction of material is carried out by moving the cutting tool on the grip workpiece. Materials that have been previously processed are usually placed on the CNC table and clamped using a strap clamp and stopper, which function to clamp or bind the workpiece to be processed. The Body Valve 250 product for the machining process in CNC milling use a type of clamping system, strap clamp, and stopper to speed up the production process. But the machining process in CNC milling using a stopper as a tool for the production process has a weakness, which requires several machines to process each part of the Body Valve 250 product, causing the loading and unloading process to take quite a long time and cause delays in finished other products by the customer. In addition, the weakness of the machining process using a stopper is the geometry dimension between the self hole at the top and the bottom of the product are not concentric. So it will affect the assembling of the D-stem 250, which causes the stem of the D-stem from the butterfly valve cannot enter the self hole of the Body Valve 250. This is due to the very tight self hole tolerance, or plus 0.2 mm for the tolerance. If the self hole is no longer concentric, the Body Valve 250 product is considered a rejected product and cannot be repaired. So the product will be melted down again. PT Zenith Almat Presisindo has a horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine where this machine is often used to work on finishing and repairing casting products. But there are no jig and fixture to support the milling process of the Body Valve 250. On this horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine. A jig is a special production tool that functions as a holder, guide, and places the workpiece in the correct position according to the product processing process. The jig also guarantees the occurrence of measurement in the event of the repetition in the production process. Meanwhile, fixture is a media supporting tool for jigs to control product placement so it fits in the product processing process. Jig and fixture play an important role in the milling process of the Body Valve 250 product. Due to the absence of jig and fixture that can be speed up the production process. This product requires 4 until 5 machines to work on each operation process. Special jig and fixture are needed for the Body Valve 250. On a horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine to speed up the milling process of the Body Valve 250 product, so that the production process runs with high production quantity without needing more machine to process each part of the Body Valve 250 product. Based on the problems described in this background, a jig and fixture will be made for the milling process of the Body Valve 250 product on a horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine. It is hoped that by making this jig and fixture, it can help speed up the Body Valve 250 production process so the target set up by the customer can be achieved, and also reduce the use of CNC milling machine to process Body Valve 250 product. So, other machines can be used for milling other products. It also produce products that having accurate geometric dimensions. Then we move to the research problem. First, how is the design of the jig body valve 250 which suitable with the milling process on the horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine at PT Zenith Almat Precizindo? The second one is how to make a jig body valve 250 according to the production needs of PT Zenith Almat Precizindo. And the third is how is the performance of the jig body valve 250 on a horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine at PT Zenith Almat Precizindo? And the last one is how is the budget plan for making the jig body valve 250? Next, we go to the research objective. First, knowing the design of the jig body valve 250 which suitable with the milling process on the horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine at PT Zenith Almat Precizindo. The second, knowing the manufacturer of jig body valve 250 according to production needs of PT Zenith Almat Precizindo. Third, knowing the performance of the jig body valve 250 on a horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine at PT Zenith Almat Precizindo. Fourth, knowing the budget plan for making the jig body valve 250. Then we move to research significance. First, provide information regarding the manufacturing process and performance of the jig body valve 250 in accordance with the milling process. Second, provide information about the stage of the jig body valve 250 design process in accordance with the milling process on a horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine. Third, as a reference to add the knowledge of the other student and the use of appropriate technology in manufacturing. Fourth, help speed up the work process and make work time efficient on the body valve 250 product. And we go to the last content from chapter 1, which is research delimitation. First, the design and manufacture of the jig can only be used for valve body 250 products in horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine. Second one is the type of the jig design can only be used for horizontal 4-axis double pallet CNC milling machine that found at PT Zenith Almat Precizindo. Third, the material used is adjusted to the company's request, namely stainless steel 316. Then, the last one is this study does not discuss the lifetime of the jig body valve 250. Okay, I think that's all for the chapter 1 of my final project proposal. Thank you for watching. Bye.